Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decenstitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you.
I'll cut it out first, then trim out my seam allowances. You can also use a light foam for your cup. My pattern already has seam allowances, that is why I'm trimming out the allowances. Also, make sure to fold your wadding or foam in total when cutting, because you need two pieces. Because I need two pieces of this, you need two pieces of each for the three of them. So I advise you fold your wadding or foam in total so you can cut two pieces at once. I'll do it a second time. I'm done joining these two. Like I said, I used the zigzag stitch to join this. Now I'm going to join it to the number one, the bigger one. From here I'll start stitching it all the way gradually to the end. This is what it looks like. Some cups might be round or any shape, but for this dress I'm making, this is the shape of the cup I need. There's a smooth finishing here at the seam area and it's less bulky. You don't have seam allowances trying to press it open and all that. Nothing like that. Your seam allowances will be on your fabric and your lining. You will sew your seam allowances on the fabric and the lining and press it open and it will be flat. But for the wadding or the foam of the cup, you don't need seam allowance to avoid the bust area being bulky.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.